Okay, so this is my Jenvey install on a MX-5 NB Mazda with the 1.8 VVT engine. It's a Jenvey kit, and I've just loaded a base map on the Motorsport Electronics ME442 ECU. So I've just double checked with the ignition on a few times, got no fuel leaks. Calibrated a throttle through the software, and this is the first start. So I'm just going to see what happens. I've put the idle speed up a little bit because I haven't got an idle speed control valve at the moment. All I've got is I've just put the manifold on there just so that the map's running as well as the TPS. So I'm going to crank it over and see what happens. Success. Don't know if you can hear that. Slightly sticking throttle, but haven't balanced the throttle bodies yet. Check out the throttle cable, see where we get on. But yeah, that's the first start. Bit tidying up on the wiring to do. Neaten things up, but yeah, sounding quite good.